एक बढ़िया हैबिट ना I've developed. It's now been 35 days. Okay, I again read it somewhere and I was like, wow, such a super habit, dude. What is it? It is before sleeping. So I have a habit anyhow. Okay, but that before sleeping I just write down how my days and all that. That's journaling, right? Where I will write down in my words and in beautiful poetic language that aaj this happened and that happened depending on the book that I've read. But look, I'm an entrepreneur and all of us are like freaking so many things, yeah, right? So, time कम पड़ता जा रहा है. Well, that also sounds like an excuse because well, all said and done, time उतना ही है. आपको उसके अंदर चीज़ें घुसाती रहनी है तो that's your choice, right? I'm talking to myself. But नेवरदलेस इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़, राइट. मतलब उसका तो टैटू है जी, टैटू. और दूसरा ये है पेंट, नहीं सॉरी दैट्स राइटिंग. कोई ना मेरे ऊपर लगा ही रहेगा यार सारे टाइम. सम ऑफ द अदर ब्यूटिफुल इंक और पेंट्स इज ऑलवेज ऑन माई बॉडीज. एनी हाउ, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज I started with one habit which is रात को सोने से पहले all I do is write 2 to 3 points. I no longer write like long paragraphs, you know, because well आदत भी है तो मुझे पता ही है. मुझे तो मेरी हैंडराइटिंग से पता चल जाता है कि उस दिन का मूड क्या था. But I'm sharing what you can do if you want to. Is that just 2 to 3 points of the day, the biggest ones. And you know what I noticed over 35-40 days? That at the end of the day I really have nothing to complain. That's what I was trying to get to. Okay, so I write everything. कुछ भी nonsense भी हुआ है ना उस दिन. Yet at the end of the day I realize that I am grateful and I make little tiny symbols. So for me heart is my biggest symbol. यार कुछ भी कर लो heart ही आ रहा है. ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता ना कि जी 40 days में आपको एक दिन भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मेरे साथ क्यों ये होता है. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, राइट. सो विच मीन्स इट्स मोमेंटरी, राइट. दैट फीलिंग दैट या the world shit is sitting on my head, that feeling is momentary, right. So that's all I'm maybe urging all of you to do, is that at the end of the day, of course, I mean, if you still journal and you write beautiful long poetic sentences, by all means do. I'm missing that. Maybe I'm at the peak of my middle age where, you know, too much is happening in life, but I can't let go of this habit because it keeps me sane, man. Otherwise my mind will explode, right. So this is helping me, where at the end of the day I am realizing that I am grateful, come what may. You know, when I just write 2-3 points every day, it's like, cool, man, super, life is sorted.